Welcome back, guys. It is another day. It is Wednesday, the 8th. If you're joining us for the first time, I want to thank you guys for subscribing. Have been off the market yesterday. I'm back on today. Now, if you take a look at my screen as usual, guys, I want to bring it to your attention. I always make videos when I'm buying or selling a stock that I think it's a great opportunity. Now, today video we're looking at ChargePoint. It's down significantly, 9% so far for the day. We saw yesterday it was up prior to the earnings report. Now, the market take a small step back this morning, as we can see in the EV sector or in the EV charging area specifically. We could see that Blink is down a small 3.4%. We saw fuel cell as well as plug power. There's EVgo, and the entire sector is seen to lose at least 3 to 4% on average. Now, in the EV side as well, we saw uh, Rivian is down. We see Lucid is down as well as Tesla is down a small 1.4%. But let's take it back to ChargePoint. Now, as usual, guys, I never really tell you guys to buy or sell any stock. I share my opinion and I stand by my opinion. If you guys don't agree, then I highly respect that, but you need to do your research as usual. I always preach that. Now, if we take a look at ChargePoint, we can see it is a great stock to hold long term. If we're going back in the last 3 months, we can see in October's we saw a similar level in the 1817, but then we saw it recovers nicely, go as high as $28 per share, and then obviously today we see it pulls below 20. Guys, I'm going to say it right now, it is a good opportunity. Now, for me personally, I invested heavily in Blink and Plug and in Clean Spark. I love the EV stock. I love EV charging stock. Anything to do with green energy, I am all for it. Now, I do have a lot of stocks in the EV side. I would say I have too much, but if you want to diversify your portfolio, you shouldn't have too many of these companies. Like in my instances, I'm coming from Blink from a very, very low stage. You guys know back last year, we're in the low, low, low. And the same goes for Fuel Cell. Whoever is the original subscribers, you guys know that we made a ton on those as well as Plug and Clean Spark. But I would love to see it goes back in the 1850 per share. But we understand the reason why it's trading so low this morning is because of the earnings report that came out. And yes, they fell short, and then the stock does take a beating from that point. Now, if you guys are not familiar with the earnings report, I highly recommend that you guys go and take a look at it. Basically, ChargePoint, they posted a quarterly loss at 69.4 million, which was wider than what most had expected. As well for revenue, we saw revenue rose 79% to 65 million. A year ago, it was at 36.4, which is okay. But again, and they fell short of what everyone was expecting for them to do, and the stock take a step back. Now, if you guys are looking for a company to invest in this space, in the EV space, then I highly recommend that you take a look into ChargePoint and do some research. Now, again, I said I would love to see in 1850 1850 to $9 to 1950 would be a great price. It could fall short as well, but I would feel comfortable for anyone that's going in. That's the benchmark that you want to take a look at. As usual, guys, please do your research. Let me know if you're going to go in today. It's down again, I say 8-9%. So this is a great opportunity. You have a 9-10% savings, and you can hold the stock long term and definitely make your money back. Now, as usual, guys, like, share, and subscribe, and peace out.